guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 4.
Day 4.
Today is the first driving lesson for me. Who's excited? Let me hear your hands.
Woo, woo, woo. I'm excited. I'm excited. That means I don't have to drive as much anymore.
I was just about to say that. We got them, boys. Is this experience really for me or for you?
Oh, it's definitely for you because it's life-changing. And this is what you do for the rest of your life. You're not going to learn how to drive and then not drive no more. This is you. This is all you, baby.
So you don't have to drive anywhere anymore?
No, I still will. Because I don't know. You could be shaky. You could not.
But let's go. Let's go.
And then turn left.
And then turn left.
Yes. Cross your hands over. When you get to the stop sign, you let it come back to you.
Okay.
Let it come back.
Okay.
Stop. Now, I don't need no gas. This is a hill.
Mm-hmm.
So, anytime you're on the hill, the car is automatically going to pick up the speed. With this particular car, if you coasting at 20, it'll pretty much stay around 20.
Okay.
I'm easing on my brake because I can't see around the curve.
Okay.
I don't know if it's another car and everything around there, so you got to make sure that if you can't see, your foot should be on the brake. I don't care where it is. If you cannot see, you should be easing on your brake. Now, when I'm driving here in my windshield, I can see half of the front of my car is touching the yellow. The other half looks like it's slightly over the white line.
Okay.
But if I look in my side mirror, I can see how much room I have.
Okay.
If I look in this side mirror, I can see how much room I have. So I know that I'm in the middle of both of the lines.
Okay.
On the road, this mirror here, you should be able to see a little bit of the top of the cheers, and then everything else should be your back window.
Okay.
You only need to see about that much of the top of the cheers. I'm not trying to see who in my back seat. I'm trying to see who's behind my car.
Okay.
Keep both hands on the wheel, and then every 8 seconds, we're going here. Right, middle, left. And it's only a glance.
While holding the
So we went out driving today.
Yeah.
Tell us how you feel.
I look great. Dad was driving home and I kept feeling like I was driving with my hands in my foot. Oh yeah. Like that.
Were you nervous?
Slightly at the beginning, but as y'all kept giving me directions, it became, I don't want to say easier, but it was better understood in my brain because I thought my brain couldn't handle all the directions, but it can.
How did you feel driving through like that residential area where the cul-de-sac and stuff was?
I thought I would be nervous, but it really wasn't as nerve-wracking, and I'm pretty proud of myself for driving through that circle.
Oh, making that kind of like a U-turn in the cul-de-sac.
I didn't go like that. I went like this. Oh yeah.
So did it feel like it was like a lot of space in the vehicle?
From the driver's seat, you feel like it's a whole lot of space, but when you're sitting in like the back, it doesn't feel like it's a lot of space at all. And it was like from the years of sitting in the front seat for so long, what, 3 years now? I never understood from the right side how y'all do it, but when you're on the left side, it's completely different. So I can understand like the front of the car my mirrors because I thought I wasn't going to be able to check my mirrors, but I was. My eyes was moving quick.
So when we was telling you like every couple seconds or something, like check this mirror, that mirror, you kept saying like it's not possible, it's not possible.
It was super like simple.
Okay.
Cause it was like you get yourself situated here and then boom, 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 and then you right back here.
So how do you think you'll feel like when it comes time, like when we'll turn the radio on, or it'll be Jayden in the car and Jayden will be talking or whatever?
I think from like responding to y'all questions, because I was hearing them and answering them, but I wasn't fully understanding what y'all were saying. Okay. So I think it's gonna be a little more difficult. Gotta start slow. So Jayden can sing the ABCs, that's it. He can just sing the ABCs and I'll sing next time what you sing with me.
No, we're going to let you drive like 2 or 3 times before like the radio and stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. It was already, I wouldn't say hard, but it was already kind of difficult, but not super difficult enough with it being pitch quiet in there and just getting directions. So I don't know how y'all do with the radio. Singing Rice and Tiller, I don't get it.
How do you think you'll feel going through like drive-thrus? Because at that point, a drive-thru is very tight. That's why now you see by the poles be all scratched up and dented from people like cutting into the car.
We're going into the drive-thru. You saw how I reversed? I'm a good parker. I'm gonna park and get out. I'm gonna walk through the drive-thru.
She said I'm a good parker.
I'm a great parker.
Park and get out.
It took a couple of times. I'm a great parker. I can go reverse.
How did it feel going in reverse and looking at your mirrors, not using a camera?
I used to think it was super duper difficult. It's difficult, but like I could get into the parking spot and go straight. It's just one side is a little more than the other. That's it. I'm out here.
I can't wait to see you parallel park.
Oh, well, that's not a thing. I don't know what that is. It's not a thing. I'm out here. Contact me. Drive your kids to soccer practice. I'm here. Drive them to basketball. I got you. Now I can't drive across states just yet.
No, not yet. We're gonna wait a little bit to do the highway too. I got one last question.
Yes.
So we had to watch your driving videos.
Mm-hmm.
Then you been studying your tests for like a couple months and passed on your first go around with 100%.
Mm-hmm.
So based off of looking at the videos and reading the book and then physically being out there on the road, how do you think that the book prepares you for the road?
I think the book prepares you slightly, like remembering in a sense like where to place yourself, how many car lengths you need to give yourself definitely helps, but you need somebody who you're familiar with to tell you like when you're turning, look out for here, because now I understand how to turn when you're looking for how far you need to pull out, or when Dad was explaining how to stop. Like it's certain things that the book just can't show you. Like you physically need to be out there to understand it. And definitely parking.